Hi everyone, this is practice formative of chapter 3, question number 12. Given the gradient function is dy dx equals to kx squared plus 2x. So whenever I see this one, I will just sketch the curve. So what I have in hand is the gradient of tangent. Okay, and the gradient of tangent is given by kx squared plus 2x. The curve passes through point A and point B. So this point, right, which point should we put? Well, it can be both points because we're going to substitute this because this sketching is not accurate. It just gives us the idea of how they are related, that's all. So we need to find the equation of the curve. So this one we need to find. So this two, we need to use it. So based on the dy dx equals to kx squared plus 2x. So to find y, bring the differentiation notation across. So it will become integration kx squared plus 2x with respect to x. And then copy everything, increase the power by 1, and then divided by the new power. Okay, this one x squared plus c. Therefore, y can be written as kx to the power of 3 over 3 plus x squared plus c. So now we have the equation. It's not complete because of the c. So we can substitute point A as well as point B. We substitute these 2 points. Okay. And therefore, from point A, 1, 6. So the equation will become 6 equals to k over 3 plus 1 plus c. Okay, and when b is substituted in, so we have 0 equals to -2, okay, k times -2 cubed over 3 plus -2 squared plus c, which is -8 over 3k plus 4 plus c. All right. Now, so for this one, let's rewrite c as the subject. So c will equals to 6 minus 1, that is 5. 5 minus k over 3. Call this equation 1. Whereas on from the b, c will equals to, just bring this whole thing over to the other side. Therefore, we have 8 over 3k minus 4. Call this equation 2. Therefore, equation 1 must be equals to equation 2 because the c value is constant. So it must be the same. Therefore, 5 minus k over 3 equals to 8 over 3k minus 4. Bring this over here. -4 go to the other side. So we have 9 equals to plus k over 3. So we have 9 over 3k. So from here we found k. So k equals to 9 over 3, so it's 3. And don't forget we need to find c as well. So from equation 1, c equals to 5 minus 3 over 3, which is 1. So 5 minus 1, we got 4. So with that, the equation of the curve is y equals to 3x cubed over 3 plus x squared plus 4. Simplified this. So y equals to x cubed plus x squared and then plus 4. That's it. We found the answer for question number 12.